Not the best of throws, but Trinity managed to get the ball and they will go over the whitewash.
හොඳම තීරණය ගන්න.
Swisstech Aquashield 2K waterproofer. Seal කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා. Dialogue Schools Rugby League.
Trinity College will be taking on Dharma Raja College in a very crucial match-up.
From Pallekele Rugby Stadium, Trinity College hosting Dharma Raja kicking off the proceedings here with the opening kickoff. A former Trinity coaching outfit in the Rajans coaching ranks. Skipper Anuhas Korituakku gets
Unashante puts his hand into the pockets and awards.
almost there. Just 5 meters, now 5 meters away from the whitewash.
Can Trinity go over? They've done the hard yards. Just few more meters to go. And they have been brought down by Dharmaraja now as Trinity scores the first Amana Bank try of the game. And Pallekele, rightly so, are on their feet.
Try putting Trinity on the ball as they wanted to come here and make a statement that they want to go for the super round with the bonus point win. So this is a wake-up call for the Trinity outfit that if you are planning to get that next 3 more tries to get the bonus point, you have to play the game in a calm and composed for rush decisions like you made in the earlier few moments. And
Hit back at the Rajans. Double up their points tally going into that half-time break. Here's Trinity. And yes, they can exactly do what I said. Trinity have scored the second Amana Bank try through the Nusha Piris.
a triple sportsman for Trinity College. That's what the brilliance this man brings out. Absolute great stuff, Kevin. It's rare to see a young 19-year-old, 18-year-old lad doing 3 sports at the high school level in the country.
Here's Altaf for Trinity. Dharmaraja charges it down. Lovely kick up from Sean Altaf. Break is right around the corner. Trinity have a line out just in front of that try line. They form the rolling ball. They are making their way towards the try line. They have been brought down as well. Can Trinity go over the whitewash? Score their third Amana Bank try. It's a far too easy for the Lions here at Pallekele as a back-to-back Amana Bank tries have been scored.
Going in for the third Amana Bank try for Trinity College. Let's see out there. Did he get the ball in motion? There.
Trinity, Sean Altaf with the conversion this time. Doesn't get the best of connections, but still, Trinity go into the half-time break with a 19-point lead. They struggled to score in the opening 20 minutes of the game, but since then, in the final 15 minutes of this opening half, they have found themselves scoring 3 back-to-back tries.
Coloma, beautiful outside and inside.
And here we go with the kickoff from the second half as Trinity puts the ball deep. The skipper of Dharmaraja, Nimsha Piris, collects it. Have another line out through. This time, not the best of throws, but Trinity managed to get the ball and they will go over the whitewash to score yet another Amana Bank try. The bonus point winning try. They are not allowing Dharmaraja to get back into the game. Here's the replay. Lovely run from Shrayan Satish Kumar. He has been silent so far in this game, but now since his introduction,
Secured the bonus point. And Sean Altaf
has been brought down by Dharmaraja. Dharmaraja will be really disappointed how this game has been turned on his head as Trinity yet again opts to go on the sides as here's Aruna Shanta having a word with Yapa Bandara of Dharmaraja and the skipper Nimsha Piris. Here's a replay.
Aryavangsa to Raizan. Yes, and referee Arun Shanta sends Yapa Bandara to the sin bin. Second yellow card.
Needs, but Trinity, since they found that opening try, have took control of this game, and now they will be looking to clear their lines as Dharmaraja desperate to win possession back, and they've done so.
Tisanga Disanayaka shown a yellow card.
The Trinity defense are desperate to see this off as Dharmaraja scores the first Amana Bank try of the game. Lovely patient work from the Rajans.
In Pallekele and Prabhutika Madhu Sankar wearing the number 7 jersey for the Rajan scoring
Points. It seems like he has added 2 more points to the board.
Bandar Nayaka much calmer than Vijay Kon will marshal his troops now, and the 5th Amana Bank try coming in for Trinity College, and the second try for Piris. Great season this lad is having right now. Here's a replay.
Trinity have given themselves a comfortable 30 points to 7-point scoreline away, as well as Trinity manages to add 2 more points, score their 6th try of the game. Here's Bandaranaike to Shan Altaf, tries to offload it quickly. Trinity still with possession as Shan Altaf has the opportunity to pass it out wide, and Trinity score yet again through Yevan. That's their 6th Amana Bank try of the game. They have not looked back, and here's the replay of that lovely try from Yevan Hulangamur. The Shan Altaf finding that assist to Yevan, and Yevan went over the whitewash. Points to 7. Here's Shan Altaf's opportunity to add 2 more points, and seems like he has added 2 more points on the board. Shan Altaf away into the super round with a brilliant performance here in their home den.
වතුරත් ලීක් වෙලා ස්ලැබ් එකත් ඉවරයි. බලන්නකො දැන් සාලේ කැත. චමරි.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වාෂීල්ඩ් 2K waterproof දැම්මා නම් වතුර කාන්දු වෙන්නෙත් නෑ. හිතටත් නිදහස්.
Swisstech Aquashield 2K waterproofer. සීල් කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා.